Finally, as one last demonstration of what you can do with the system.web.optimization namespace, I'm going to write some CoffeeScript. If you haven't heard of CoffeeScript, we have a video on pluralsight.com that covers CoffeeScript. It's a little language that compiles into JavaScript and tries to avoid all of the pitfalls of JavaScript. Here's what a little CoffeeScript file looks like. This is just defining an animal class. Every animal has a constructor where you can pass in a name. Every animal can speak. When you tell an animal to speak, that will raise an alert. That's your typical JavaScript alert. So we will create a new animal and tell the animal to speak. How can I get this to execute inside of my application? The first thing I would do is install a package called Coffee Bundler. And once that is installed, I will have a new transformation available that I can plug in to the system.web.optimization transformations for a particular bundle, and it can actually convert CoffeeScript into JavaScript. It sends the JavaScript down to the browser and everything executes. So now that that package is installed, I can come into my bundle config, and inside of my bundle config, I can add a new bundle. This is going to be a script bundle. The virtual path is /bundles/animals. It's going to include animals.coffee, that CoffeeScript we were just looking at. And I'm not using the typical technique of inserting the script bundle into the bundle collection because I need to add a transform. I want to make sure this is the first transformation that runs. That's why I'm doing an insert here. But if you look in this transforms collection, what you'll find for a script bundle is the JS minify transformation. JS minify, of course, being the transformation that'll take a JavaScript file and minify it. This transform is the coffee bundler. It's going to compile this coffee file into JavaScript. Then it'll go to the next stage in the transformation pipeline, which will be JS minify. And that will put together our bundle. So to use this bundle, I can go to the layout page and just include this everywhere, or I can include this on a specific page. But let me put this at the bottom of the page. And the way I'm going to render this right now is by using the resolve bundle URL, because at this moment in time, the coffee bundler and scripts.render don't play well together, but that's part of the danger of working with pre-release software. The other thing I need to do at this point in time is delete this app start file that the coffee bundler package added to my application, because it is not caught quite up with the latest release of system.web.optimization. So it would create compiler errors. Let me delete that. And now let's do a build. And let's run the application. And up pops our message. Dash the cat is speaking. Excellent. If I actually go to /bundles/animals, I can see the CoffeeScript that was transformed into JavaScript. And now I could compare these two files to see how CoffeeScript compiles into JavaScript. So that's something else that you can do with the bundling and minification in ASP.NET and VC4. You can work with CoffeeScript. You can also work with less and Sass, which are alternates for cascading style sheets. You can find bundlers and transformers for those technologies in the NuGet package system.